All right, in this part 2 video, we're going to be styling our activity to look like this one right here, just a little bit cooler with like a nice linear gradient in the background and some nice colors here. So you're going to want to go into the authoring tab and hit edit on our CPR procedure here. And right on the activity with the activity selected, you're going to want to go down and hit styling and styles. Style sheet. So in the style sheet option, you have lots of different templates to choose from, but we're going to use the Ambifi template on the website right here, just in guides, styling guide. You can just copy that right here. It'll look something like this and edit it to our liking. So go ahead and paste that in. This will make it look like that Ambifi thing with the orange and stuff like that. We're going to go ahead and make this background color a nice blue. I have the other one pulled up right here, so I have the colors. And to make the linear gradient, let's go ahead and edit the background image property. And let's say here, make this a linear gradient. And these pretty much follow the CSS guidelines. So this is using the linear gradient CSS option. And say to bottom right. And then give it the color. Let's say the same, that blue I just said. And let's give it let's just give it a nice green that I found. And there you go, that's linear gradient. And then we can leave the color as white there. That color just refers to the text color. Make sure you have quotes and everything to match up right there. List, we're gonna make the color, leave the color as white, make the background color this nice green here for that section specifically. And then for this section, we can make the color, let's leave it still white. And then background color, we can make it that blue again. And once again, these color values are coming from hex values. You can find a hex color picker on the Adobe website or on a lot of different websites. Just choose one you like. For the items, let's make this the color of them. Let's say hashtag 2D3436. That's a nice gray color. Leave the font size as is. Background color can stay white. Border color, let's make that, let's see what I've got here. That's just what the other one had. I'm not quite sure what that is. We can check that out when we get to it. Border width, we can leave that as 5. Actually, let's check out another property. So if you want to make the border on different sides of the border, different widths, you can say border left width, 5 maybe. And then if you wanted maybe the rest of it to not have as big of a border, you could say border right width, make that like 3 or 2 even, border top width, and then make that 2 also, border bottom width, make that 2 as well. And that way it'll make the, give a nice little effect on the left, it'll have a thick border. Border radius, let's just go ahead and make that 5. All right, so that's pretty much the styling there. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. All right, start new. And there you go, you've got the nice outline, nice colors here. A little bit of a wider border on this side for a little bit of an effect there. It's got the pictures and everything. And there you go. So that's pretty much how to style procedures, style a medical procedure there. The linear gradient's a little bit of an advanced thing, but if you just copy that exactly as I put it, you should be able to do it any kind of color you want. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Hopefully you have a better understanding now how to make any kind of medical procedure you want. Thanks.